Today, I'll explain roulette payouts and how winnings are calculated step by step. Step 1. Understand the bets. Roulette has two main types of bets. Inside bets, which are placed on specific numbers or small groups of numbers, and outside bets, placed on larger groups, colors, or odd even numbers. Inside bets payout. Inside bets offer higher risk but bigger rewards. Straight up single numbers, 350 to 1 ratio. Split two numbers, 17 to 1 ratio. Street three numbers is 11 to 1 ratio. There's also a corner and square, which is 4 numbers, which is an 8 to 1 ratio. Sixth line, which is 6 numbers, which is a 5 to 1 ratio. Now outside bet payouts. Outside bets are safer but pay less. There is red and black, which is a 1 to 1 ratio. There is odd and even, which is also a 1 to 1. High and low, which is also a 1 to 1. There's also dozens, which is 2 for 1. There's columns, which is 2 for 1. Now we have to understand European versus American roulette. European roulette has 37 numbers, from 0 to 36, slightly better odds. American roulette has 38 numbers, from 0 to 00 to 36, slightly higher house edge. How payouts work. If you win, the payout is calculated as bet amount x payout ratio. For example, $10 on a single number pays $10 times 35, which is $350, plus your original $10 back. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.